First of all, first of all, we have to take the recap. Guys, can you tell me one thing? What are the things, what are the items we can write into the credit side of partner's capital account? Who will answer me this question? Raise your hand. पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट के क्रेडिट साइड में हम क्या क्या लिख सकते हैं? ओके, आई विल गो फॉर द वंशिका. थैंक यू फॉर रेजिंग योर हैंड. यस वंशिका, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ.
Sir, sir, on credit side, we can write the balance. If there is a previous balance of the partners, the new capital introduced by the new partner, goodwill premium we can write on the credit side if we have given. Except for this, the profit which is distributed, the revaluation account profit, we can write on the credit side.
Thank you Vanshika, very impressive. I'm proud of you, my girl. So as you heard that we can write the balance BD. Under the balance BD we can write the capital which is given into the old balance sheet. Come to the page number 5.4, 5.51. In the page number 5.51, there is a balance sheet of the question number 47. 8 lakh and 4 lakh is capital is given. This capital has to be transferred into the partner's capital account. Into the partner's capital account. Come to the page number 5.51. Question number 47. You got it, Sneha? Okay, thank you, beta. Thank you, Gurdeep. Manveer, have you got it, beta? That capital we have to transfer into the partner's capital account. Second thing, the premium for the goodwill bought by the new partner, that's we have to transfer, and we know that because we have passed so many entry for that. So we have to distribute the premium for the goodwill into the sacrificing ratio, and sacrificing ratio is old minus new. So you have done a lot of question on that topic, so no need to explain it. Third one is capital introduced by the new partner or capital bought by the new partner. So we have to transfer this capital also in his own account. So in this question, his capital is bought by the new partner is 5 lakh rupees. This 5 lakh rupees you have to transfer. See the adjustment number 1. C will bring the 5 lakh as a capital. This capital you have to transfer to the PCA of C, partners capital account, into the C column under the head by cash or bank. After that, we have to transfer the profit on the revaluation account into the credit side, and loss on the revaluation account we have to transfer into the debit side of the PCA. After that, general reserves, workman compensation, investing fluctuating funds, etc. we have to transfer into the credit side of the partner's capital account into the old ratio. Except the premium for goodwill, everything we have to transfer into the old share or old ratio. Okay, only the premium for goodwill Pranshi we have to transfer into the sacrificing ratio. I hope it is clear to you. Can you thumbs up if you can understand it? If you have doubt, so raise your hand, I'll answer you. If you have any doubt, so I will answer you. Okay guys, that's great. So let's try to do the 47 question. A and B are the partners. Profit sharing ratio is 3:2. The profit sharing ratios are A and B. 3:2, it means 3/5 and 2/5. Balance sheet is given, creditor, BP, general reserve and partners. Capital account is given, cash, bank, debtor, stock, building, machine, goodwill is given. If we will see into the balance sheet, so into the liability side, there is a general reserve that will be goes to the partners capital account, and into the asset side there is a goodwill is given, the old goodwill, the treatment you know about the old goodwill, old ratio. I told you so many times, old goodwill, old ratio. So this goodwill will be transferred into the debit side of the partners capital account. And in the adjustments, they admitted C as the partner with the effect from the 1st April 2021 for the 1/3 ratio. They have admitted the C for 1/3 share. So the point number 1 is that in your question there is no new profit sharing ratio. न्यू प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियोज हमारे नहीं दिए हुए हैं, इसलिए सैक्रिफाइसिंग रेशियो का फॉर्मूला होता है ओल्ड माइनस न्यू. New ratios is not given to you, so I erase this one. So what it does mean? It means that आपके जो ओल्ड रेशियोज हैं वही सैक्रिफाइसिंग रेशियोज हो जाएंगे. तो हमें जो गुडविल डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करनी है, we have to distribute the premium of the goodwill that will be divided into the old ratio. That will be divided into the old ratio. Okay, so premium of the goodwill is given 2 lakh rupees. His share of the goodwill, but actually he contributed 1,20,000. प्रीमियम फॉर गुडविल आपकी 2 लाख रुपीस की है बेटा. लेस करिए बेटा, इसमें कैश भी कितनी लाया है वो 1,20,000. कितना बचा 80,000, वो कैश में नहीं लाया है. दैट विल बी ट्रांसफर्ड इनटू द करंट अकाउंट, पार्टनर्स करंट अकाउंट. सो ये आपका सीज का करंट अकाउंट में ट्रांसफर हो जाएगी. ओके, अब हमें क्या करना है बेटा, 1,20,000 रुपीज जो कैश में लाया है उसको 3/5 करना है. 1,20,000 2/5. This is for A and this is for B. That will be 90,000. That will be 60,000. Calculation of current account. For A 80,000 multiplied by 3/5. For B 80,000 2/5. That $48,000 and $32,000. हमने दोबारा टोटल लगा के बेटा उसका रीचेक भी कर लिया. ओके, सो गुडविल का ट्रीटमेंट हमारा क्लियर हो गया बेटा. हमारा 1,20,000 वो कैश में लेके आएगा, 80,000 रुपीज वो कैश में नहीं लाया, उसे 2 लाख रुपए की गुडविल लानी थी. He has to bring the 2 lakh worth goodwill, but he was unable to bring that goodwill. He bought only the 1,20,000 in cash, and rest of the amount will transfer to the current account. After that, building and machine to be depreciated by 5%. अब बेटा इसका हम रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट बना लेंगे. बेटा डेप्थ और फिर हम इसको थोड़ा सा और एक्सटेंड कर देते हैं. दैट इज लॉस एंड दैट इज प्रॉफिट. डेप्रिसिएशन बेटा हमारा लॉस होता है, तो बिल्डिंग और मशीन का डेप्रिसिएशन है 5% का. मशीन हमारी है 2 लाख रुपीस की, 2 लाख रुपीस की मशीन है, 5% निकालेंगे. दैट विल बी योर 2 lakh multiplied by 5 upon 100, that will be 10,000. I hope that will be clear to you. Another one is building. Building is 5 lakh rupees. इसका भी डेप लगाते हैं. Building account 5 lakh multiplied by 5 upon 100, that will be 25,000. Okay. Third point is stock to be revalued at 4 lakh rupees. स्टॉक आपका बेटा बैलेंस शीट में 3 लाख रुपीस का था, अब नाउ इट्स 4 लाख. तो आपको 1 लाख रुपए का फायदा हो गया. तो बाय स्टॉक $4 lakh minus 3 lakh, that will be 1 lakh profit. There is unrecorded delivery van for the worth lakh 20,000. आपके पास अनरिकॉर्डेड एसेट्स थी 1,20,000 की डिलीवरी वैन की तरह. सो प्रॉफिट हो गया आपका बेटा बाय वैन 1,20,000. ओके. 1 month सैलरी of 30,000 is outstanding. Outstanding सैलरी है, लॉस हो गया आपका. So outstanding salary 30,000. $2,20,000 and 2,20,000. अब 2,20,000 में बेटा 10,000 plus 25,000, 35,000 plus 35,000 plus 30, 65,000 माइनस करिए. सो कितना बचेगा 1,55,000. This is your profit. Profit transfer 1,55,000 divided into 3 by 5 and 1,55,000 divided into 2 by 5. So that will be 93 and 63. 93,000 and 62,000. So write down here A's capital 92,000, B's capital 62,000, 93,000 and 62,000. I hope this is clear to you. Just raise your hand if you have any doubt. Just raise your hand. Okay, go for partners capital account. Before that, just finish this one. After finishing this one, you can show me your thumbs up. Then I'll go for the partners capital account. Just go through this one. रिवोल्यूशन अकाउंट जल्दी से इसको करके देख लो बेटा एक बार कॉपी पे. अगर आपको कोई डाउट है तो मैं आपके डाउट्स क्लियर कर देता हूं. उसके बाद पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट बनाते हैं. जल्दी से कॉपी पे कर लो एक बार. डू इट फास्ट, टेक योर टाइम. थैंक यू नमन. थैंक यू स्नेहा. थैंक यू वैशाली. थैंक यू प्रियांशी. थैंक यू अमृत. थैंक यू दिव्या. I need one more answer. Thank you, Gurdeep. I need one more answer. Rhythm Thakur, I am waiting for your answer. Okay, Vanshika. Rhythm Thakur, I am waiting for your answer. Manveer, I am waiting for your answer, beta. After that, what we have to do? We have to make the partner's capital account. Okay, guys. So as I told you, first of all, we have to transfer the Y balance BD. Y balance BD is given in your question. So I'll go to the Avneet. Avneet, can you answer me? How much the balance BD is there? Avneet. Divya.
Yes.
Sir, it's 8 lakh and 4 lakh.
It's 8 lakh and 4 lakh. Thank you, Avneet. That's 8 lakh is given. And 4 lakh is given. Second thing, by premium for goodwill. Premium for goodwill we have calculated here. How much? 90,000 and 60,000. Transfer it. 90,000 and 60,000 by C's current account. How much is given? C's current account, how much we have calculated? 48 and 32. नेक्स्ट अब नेक्स्ट मैं पूछता हूँ स्नेहा से. मे आई डिस्टर्ब यू स्नेहा बेटा? Okay, can you tell me what will be the next we can transfer here?
Sir, by revaluation account.
Yes, well done, my baby. By profit or evaluation. How much is there?
Sir, 93,000 and 62,000.
93,000 and 63,000, which already we have calculated.
Yes.
93 and 62,000. One more thing we are missing. So, Gurdeep, can you help me?
Sir, general reserve.
Right answer. मेरे शेर तू 100 नंबर वाला बच्चा, दिल खुश कर दिया तूने. We have missed general reserve.
आपने थोड़ा गलत लिख दिया सर.
मैंने
सर वो सेकंड में सर प्रीमियम ऑफ गुडविल सर वो जनरल रिजर्व की है अमाउंट आपने प्रीमियम में लिख दी.
1,20,000 है बेटा. मेरी क्या गलत हो गई?
Yes.
Let me check it again. Okay, yeah, you are right. So that will be 72,000 and 48,000. Thank you, beta. God bless you. So that will be 72,000 and 48,000. And general reserve is 90 and 60. Anything else we can write? Anything else we are missing? Who will tell me? एक सबसे important चीज भूल गए हैं. I'll go for Pranshi. Yes, Pranshi.
So we have to write by bank 5 lakh in C's account.
Yes, the capital bought by the new partner, that's by bank. Thank you, Pranshi. By bank, 5 lakh rupees, the capital bought by the new partner. Okay, I think that's all. Come to the debit side. Debit side में बेटा अब हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? सबसे पहले क्या ट्रांसफर करेंगे? What we can transfer to the debit side? Who will tell me? Debit side. Yes, Amit. Go ahead.
So we will transfer goodwill.
Okay, we have to transfer the goodwill which is given into the balance sheet worth 50,000. That 50,000 we have to transfer into the old ratio. We have to distribute into the old ratio. Okay, so we haven't calculated the goodwill. 50,000 is the goodwill. 3 by 5, that will be 30,000. And 50,000 multiplied by 2 by 5, that will be the 20,000. Just check my calculation, beta. So to goodwill 30,000 and 20,000. So that's all your question, beta. And take out the balance CD. Can you do that? Can you find out the balance CD, beta? Just find it out, the balance CD. Okay, Divya, your answer is right, beta. So first of all, what we have to do, get the total of this. That will be 11 lakh 3,000. Is it clear? And what will be the second total? 6 lakh 2,000. And that is 5 lakh. Subtract 30,000 here. So that will be the 10,73,000. Minus 20,000. 5,83,000 and 5 lakh. This amount will go to the balance sheet. This amount will go to the balance sheet. So we have to make, wait, just finish this one and send to me, then I'll make the balance sheet. Okay, beta? Just finish it. Just finish this one and send to me, then I'll make the balance sheet for that. Gurdeep already sent it to me. Thank you, मेरे बच्चे. Thank you, Avneet. Thank you, Sukhampreet. Thank you, Sneha. Thank you, Vaishali. Thank you, Divya. I got your answer. Your answer is right. I'm waiting for the Taran. Taran, you haven't sent me the answer. Yeah, Naman, Taran, Yash. Send me the answers, beta. Naman, thank you, beta. God bless you, beti. Taran, Yash, I'm waiting for your answer. Okay, guys, after that, we have to make the partner's capital account. After the partner's capital account, we have to make the balance sheet. Taran, thank you. Yash, thank you. Thank you for your responses. We have the BP, that will be the 1 lakh rupees. Creditor, that is 2,50,000. Outstanding salary, that will be 30,000. Capital A, B, and C, 10,73,000. 5,82,000. Give me a minute, beta. So, cash in hand we have 25,000. cash at bank. So cash at bank we have to find out 5,75,000 plus 5 lakh rupees capital bought by new partner plus 1,20,000 is the goodwill. No need to make a bank account, I'll calculate it like that. So it will be 11,95,000. Stock 4 lakh given in the adjustment. Debtors 50,000. We have recorded the delivery van because that was unrecorded. So that will be 1,20,000. Building is depreciated by 25,000. So minus the 25,000, 5 lakh minus 25,000, that will be 475. Okay. And what will be the other one? Machinery minus the depreciation. 90,000, 1 lakh minus 10,000. That will be 90,000. And one more thing, C's current account is 80,000. So your balance sheet will be 25 lakh 35,000. That will be your answer. I hope you will understand it. Just finish this one and send to me, okay? Guys, can you do that? Divya already sent me the balance sheet. Thank you, Divya. Gurdeep also sent me the balance sheet. Just finish this balance sheet and send to me, beta.